Are you ready for the Royal Rumble? Are you ready for the Royal Rumble? We gotta give it up. Man event tag team match. The Megastar LA Knight! Yeah! Oh. And then you guys gotta give a big, warm SmackDown welcome to Damian Priest!
Damian!
We got a wonderful few days together. Who's coming to the Royal Rumble? Oh wow, we got a lot of people up here. If you're up here, say hi to our friends down here. Our friends down here, say hi to our friends up there. Hey, there's a curfew here tonight. We can't stay all night, but I would love to give something to one of you. Thank you so much. Let's hear it for Lillian Garcia. All right. You guys know the game. Priest is gonna officiate this. LA Knight making it official. We can give this side weight belt away, but we can only give it to the loudest person in here tonight. Here's the deal. I wish we could give more of these away. Serious question. Trying to figure out who's the loudest person in here, right? Okay, now you're gonna belt to give away, right? But what happens if the loudest person's all the way up there? I was just leaving. I'm posting the people in the LA Knight side. That's just it. He has a point. He has a point. Oh, look, you guys are ready to go, huh? All right. I think we got it. All right. LA Knight has a point. I wish we could get more of the folks up there. Hopefully we can give everybody a wonderful Royal Rumble. No. Okay, I've got him, but I need this individual to come in the ring and get it themselves, if that's okay. Come on. You guys have a great night. God bless. See you tomorrow. Let's do this all over again.